Welcome back to East Texas Live. Let's check in with KTK's meteorologist Carson Vickroy. Carson, I was thinking about maybe taking a hike later today. Do I need to worry about those mosquitoes given the humidity?
All right, so I have two words of advice for you, Sarah.
Okay.
One, make sure you remember a lot of water because, well, we do have those temperatures in the 80s and 90s. And like you mentioned, make sure you remember that bug spray as well because the skeeters, well, they love this weather. And a lot of East Texans love this too, but a few of them don't. We do have 80s and 90s out here right now. It's 88 in Pittsburgh, it's 89 in Lindale, it's 89 in Hawkins, and it's about 90 degrees right now at the Tyler Pounds Airport. 91 at Jacksonville, it is 90 on the southeast side of Palestine, and same temperature there in Elkhart and Kennard, 89 in Lufkin. But look at Huntington already at 93 degrees, and it's just 11:49 right now, so it's going to be a very warm day. 98, that is what we'll hit. Of course, that heat index value or that feels like temperature going to be up to 105 degrees. Now tonight, lows falling into the upper 70s, mostly clear skies. Of course, anytime you have temperatures in the upper 70s, yeah, it tends to be a little muggy, especially with all that humidity that we have here in East Texas. And unfortunately, the humidity, it's going to continue for the foreseeable future. It's certainly in the forecast over the next several days, but notice this. Storms have taken shape just off to our north in parts of Oklahoma and Arkansas, and that's because this area of high pressure, it was right over us yesterday, but it has shifted its track to the west, and as it continues to push further off to the northwest, we're going to continue to see those rain chances increase. And I'm not ruling out rain today. This is 4 o'clock on FUTURECAST. Just a few clouds for our western counties. Now, we could very well see by 8 o'clock a couple showers and thunderstorms move in near the Sulphur River here between Mount Pleasant and Texarkana, Texas. That's through 8 o'clock. Now, as we go into the overnight hours, we're not going to be dealing with much until about 7, where our northeastern counties could be under the gun for a few showers and thunderstorms, but rain comes to an end by 6, and then by the time we go into your Thursday morning, we'll call it about 7 o'clock, we're just going to be dealing with a cloud here or there, so not expecting much in the way of rain both Wednesday afternoon and Thursday morning, so that's good news. Now, I will be in bed tonight. I love my sleep, but if you really like staring at the stars, well, there's going to be a meteor shower, and that is tonight into tomorrow morning, and there could be upwards of 100 meteors per hour, and they are really moving. Look at that. 37 miles per second, so they will be quick. Make sure you're able to catch those meteors while you can. And the viewing is good tonight. I mean, I mentioned we only have a few clouds in the area, and the moon is about 47% full. So here are your next several days. We're keeping the clouds in the forecast tomorrow. I've got 90s Thursday, Friday into the weekend, with about a 10 to 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms here and there. Deep East Texas, we're following the same trend. 90s for the most part. 10, maybe 20% of us see those showers and thunderstorms starting on Friday, but that does increase just a little bit as we head into the weekend. Sarah?
Thank you for that, Carson. I think